Welcome to another Foxy Tech Tips tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to share posts on Instagram to your story. First, find the post you'd like to share and open it. Now tap the share button, which looks like a paper airplane. There is now an option in here to share this post directly onto your story. Since normal Instagram posts are the wrong aspect ratio for stories, you can't make it full screen, but you can play around with lots of different options to make it look cool. So again, all you have to do is open up the picture you want to repost to your story, tap the paper airplane button and then tap Add Post to Story. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Instagram tutorials.